Alright, part 2 of our little Snap-on special here. So I threw the battery in it, and we'll just grab the body here. And the battery sits down in here. It's pretty clever again. They just mounted it vertically here, but they got a nice little easy clasp. Snaps in and out. And your standard ESC Traxxas type thing. So I've got it set up here so we can kind of see your flexion. The suspension is a trip. You've got these coil springs, single in the front, dual in the rear. I should say radial springs, I think would be the most appropriate term. Because these, as opposed to a coil compressing, these are a radial spring, which is actually kind of rotating, winding up. Anyway, correct me if I'm wrong there, but it's pretty neat. And then, kind of like your old Harleys before hydraulic dampeners, it looks like you just tighten this little nut here to affect the resistance. Possibly? Yeah, it kind of looks that way. Might be for just decoration. We'll see here, but it is. Yeah, you know, if that tightens those together, I don't know. We'll see here. I'll fiddle around with it later. But anyway, you can see there how those work, and then the suspension in the front is kind of the same. They added this neat little faux leaf, which is a kind of a neat little detail. And it flexes along here. And got the same thing here kind of in the front as well. Got that. And then that little guy in there just kind of for looks and grins. And what's kind of neat is this thing looks like it actually might go right down the road pretty quick here. You just see it go launching off there into my water jug, but it is kind of neat to see how that runs. Anyway, we'll give it a fair amount of steering angle too. So we'll have to go make a running video outside one of these days and see how it goes. I think with this one I will take it to somewhere with concrete so I don't get it dirty, because I don't want to have to clean it. It's only new once and then it gets dirty. On the bottom here, that's honestly, it's pretty rugged. I mean, obviously you've got some fairly weak links here with these plastic rods, but honestly, it probably would take a pretty good bashing. Obviously, you wouldn't want to hit something hard on the front, because that looks like that would. Yeah, that's just plastic. Although, oh, they do have a reinforced metal bar in the front axle. Okay, that's good. And then that. All right. Neat. And then that is a metal one. Anyway, that is the snap-on socket wrench is special. And again, here's the body. I do like these mounts that they're coming out with. Traxxas, that is pretty freaking slick. Better turn this off here first. It just lines up in the tabs. Now I'm gonna make a liar out of me. Oh, I got the wire in there. Click, click, click. Anyway, pretty cool. Have a good one.